Welcome back, everybody, to another cryptocurrency news article. This one comes out of Cointelegraph, and a lawyer explains new federal virtual asset law in the United Arab Emirates. That's right, regulations has come to the UAE, and failure to comply with the new law could lead to a hefty fine of up to $2.7 million, ejection of profits, and a criminal investigation. So let's go over this. The United Arab Emirates, otherwise known as the UAE, has passed a new law that governs virtual assets, setting up the country's initial regulatory regime for the cryptocurrency space at the federal level. Before the federal level regulations, the UAE already introduced several supervisory initiatives for digital assets in its economy or in its economic free zones, like the Abu Dhabi global markets. Last year, Dubai also established its own crypto regulator called the Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority. Now, Irina Heaver, a UAE-based crypto and blockchain lawyer, explained that the move has several implications. According to Heaver, the new law ensures that entities that engage in crypto activities must secure a license and approval from new regulator, and non-compliance could lead to a hefty fine, she explained. Failure to comply leads to heavy sanctions, such as a fine of up to 10 million AED, otherwise 2.7 million US dollars, disgorgement of profits, and even criminal investigation by the public prosecutor. Now, Heaver highlighted that the law is expected to come into force on January 14th and would require crypto entrepreneurs operating in the country to conform. Every crypto and Web3 project operating in the UAE will have to structure a way to comply with the new federal law and all of the existing laws, she explained. Meanwhile, despite the minimum requirements for virtual asset service providers being attainable, the lawyer thinks that many firms may have some difficulties. Those are actually rather realistic. However, the practice shows that most crypto companies fall short of even basic requirements, said Heaver. Now, the crypto lawyer also highlighted that the law has also set up a minimum requirements for VASPs. According to Heaver, all VASPs are required to comply with the legislation in force on combating money laundering crime, the financing of terrorism, and the financing of unlawful organizations. In addition, all legal entities that fall into the VASP category will have 3 months to adapt and comply with the new laws. Now, despite establishing a new law dedicated to protecting consumers, Heaver believes that preventing FTX like entities from attempting to commit fraud would be challenging. Dubai's VARA still previously gave FTX's approval before revoking it in November, she noted. From the evidence that emerged, FTX is a case of serious fraud of a level that will look like an Angel. Unfortunately, no levels of laws can protect us from people wanting to commit crimes intentionally. Overall, the lawyer believes that this new development is a good for founders, investors, and consumers within the UAE, and that regulatory clarity gives the country the right ingredients to be the Web3 capital of the world. So yeah, this is a good thing. Like, we need this regulations in here. And so again, we don't fall for people who are intentionally trying to steal from you. So again, like, the DeFi space is coming, but if you want to work with a CeFi, we do need regulations. So this is good for the CeFi space. And again, like, everything happening from the UAE is huge news. And if you're paying attention, this is exciting times right now. So hope you guys enjoyed this article. And if you did, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.